in the third dimension and the fourth dimension, which is the astral plane, which is spiritual plane. And there are portions, or there are points where such portal opens for one reason or another in split second. And therefore, if you are following a ship, yes, the ship you are following might disappear, but you will not disappear kasi na-close yung portal. This theory of a portal is not necessarily crazy nor impossible, no? Because there have been disappearances of people, actually, people who were lost in certain plain view, walking, no? In fact, there are several documented cases. Sinusundan yung tao biglang naglaho, no? It's in a field. Hindi naman nahulog. Wala namang hole. Pero nag-disappear siya. And they look all around also sa mga area or square meters. And they could not find the man. So there are occasions like this. That is one possibility na hindi pa pinitingnan na mga taong nagsalita tungkol dito. Pati yung mga experts, of course, we don't expect them to look into that. They do not see it as a possibility.
Okay. So, ngayon, palagay nyo, ito malabo na talaga, no? Malabo na talagang matuntun yan? Well,
not necessarily malabo, but I think pwede pa rin because in the story of the Bermuda Triangle, and the one, by the way, the most famous of this is the book by Berlitz on the Bermuda Triangle. Not all were not found. In other words, there is a certain percentage of those missing that were found, but away from the place where they were lost. So, meron pa rin posibilidad na makita yung Malaysian airplane.
That's the good news, ano? Sa inyong teorya, sa inyong palagay, may mga posibilidad talaga.
That's just what I think. Tanong mo sa akin marami nga nagtatanong sa akin. So sabi ko, hindi ko talaga masagot yung tanong na yan. I just can give you some of the theories.
Pero meron ho bang Bermuda Triangle-like na na posibleng nag-trigger niyan dito ho sa atin sa Asia?
Yes, it is possible. Kasi, ano mo, Angelo, it's difficult to explain, no? And I don't expect people to believe me, there is a port in every place. Meron tayong portal of where we enter into another dimension. Hindi yan limited to the Bermuda Triangle. It's possible na hindi ito yung nangyari, no? For one reason or another. We don't know why. Particular time. I don't even know whether my theory is correct, no? But it is possible. It is possible.
Kung sa bagay, marami pa rin talagang mga bagay dito sa mundo na hindi mo maipaliwanag.
I know, you're so absolutely right. And this is what fascinates me so much. Is these mysterious things na hindi mapiliwanag ng siyensya or ng reliyon.
Okay, may tanong dito. There is what they call a planetary grid system and there are 12 triangles in the world. Ano daw ho yan?
Well, there are several theories regarding certain triangulation in the universe. And in fact, there was one particular psychic that we went to a certain place in Lokban, Quezon. And she stepped on a certain cemented place there, which they call the UFO helipad or a UFO landing pad. And she touched a certain button at the center. Said, that's not really a button, yung place is energized. Nung nangyari yan, nagkaroon ng ilaw on all parts of the four corners of the cement, pataas dun sa langit. And nag-meet at a certain point, parang nagkaroon ng pyramid, invisible pyramid, which she alone could see. The others who were there could not see it. Pero siya nakita niya, and then nag-meet at a certain point above, which is the another place of power. Yun.
Wala yung kinalaman dito sa pagkawala ng nitong Malaysian Air.
Walang
wala.
That's right now we are trying to find some rational explanation, and what I'm saying, it is possible, but I'm not referring to the Malaysia Airlines.
Okay.
It is just possible that there are
those things.
There are these things na sabi ko.
Okay. Ito naman. May kaugnay. Meron man, ano itong Dragon Triangle? Have you heard of Dragon Triangle in Asia?
Hindi ko, ano yan, Agilo.
Sorry, doon sa nag-text natin. Hindi na. Pero sabi ni Josa, Dr. Jimmy, I miss your Inner Mind program.
It is just possible.
Pero sabi daw, 6 airlines in 60 years ang nag-disappear na?
Well, marami. I can't remember the number. Pero marami. Sa Bermuda Triangle, especially in that area. Of course, it's controversial. There are people who deny the existence of the triangle. And they said, some of these have been found. So it's not true that everything was lost. Yun ang another theory.
But ito, hindi siya pwedeng ma-penetrate lang ng ano, hindi siya pwedeng ma-penetrate ng marami na tayong mga high-tech submarines to really check kung meron bang Bermuda Triangle. Hindi, wala talaga.
You know, the reason they cannot check it is because it does not open every time. We don't know why something triggers the opening and closing of the portal. It's an invisible portal that brings you into another dimension of reality, or the physical universe, no? Kasi the problem is we only believe in the third dimension, physically. That's not true. And there are many proofs that this is not the only plane of existence. I myself have gone into the astral plane many times, no? And I have seen the astral, which is not physical. So I myself have seen this. That's why I believe in these things. Otherwise, I would not believe.
Doc, what about yung sinasabi nilang pupwedeng UFO? This is a creation of an alien. Kasi sabi nga nila, who knows kung talagang may mga nilalang outside of Earth?
Yes. Well, it is possible because actually there are aliens. In fact, I have seen a lot of UFOs in Mount Banahaw, in Lukban, and in Pila, Laguna, in the 80s. No? I have seen. So, I believe in the existence of extraterrestrials and UFOs because there is proof. Meron tayong katibayan dyan.
Kasi hindi lang naman, for sure na nung nabuo po ang mundo at ang buong universe, hindi lang mapalad lang ho siguro tayo dahil tayo yung visible na nakikita sa Earth. Pero hindi pa natin na-explore completely ibang planeta.
Yes. Remember, if you are talking about the Bible and in the Genesis, you will notice something that God created both visible and invisible beings. Pakitingnan nyo sa Biblia, merong passage na ganon.
Hindi, kaya nga tayo, we're still trying to explore the other planets outside of Earth, Parang, at saka nakita natin na may posibilidad talaga na may buhay doon. May tubig sila Di ba? Meron din yung iba, may oxygen.
I believe in that. I believe that meron. In fact, even the Vatican, there is a person, Monsignor, I think he's the head of the Vatican Observatory, na declared about 2 years ago the possibility of the existence of extraterrestrial beings who are intelligent. Sinabi niya yan, I forgot his name. This Vatican Observatory priest.
Okay. So, kung UFO ito, para saan naman? Kaya?
Exactly. That's why I don't know whether it is. But I would believe more the possibility of a portal, that opening, and they just got swallowed up, unfortunately, by that portal. But the possibility for UFO abducting an airplane, wala pang istorya ng ganyan Meron mga tao na-abduct, It has been documented, Sila Barney Hill and Betty Hill, Striver and many others, have documented this abduction. But wala pa ako nabasa isang aeroplano na inabduct ng alien. Wala pa.
O nga, sa dami nun, mahihirapan siya pakainin, kung sino man yung kumidap na yun.
Right, kung sino man.
So we really hope, dagdagan ho natin ang dasal pa that we'll really be able to get back kung nasaan man itong aeroplanong ito, and we continue to pray na ligtas po lahat ng mga sakay.
Kaya kawawa yung mga inosente, yung bata, may 2 bata para
Kumusta daw ho kayo sa Doc Jimmy galing kay Ray Sibayan?
Very fine. Hindi na ako ina-imbita sa kanyang programa.
Ganun ba?
I'm happy to hear from you, Angelo. Happy to hear.
Of course, I've been looking for you yesterday pa kasi nga hinahanapan ho natin ng iba pang mga lohika. Kasi nga,
I was driving, Angelo. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Kasi nga, na-rule out na yung, although hindi naman na-rule out, the possibility of a terrorist attack, pero with the security system na meron po, ang security protocol, ang Kuala Lumpur o ang Malaysia, mukhang mahirapan yung issue ng ng terrorist act. Pangalawa, ito pong sinasabi baka may problema yung aeroplano. Hindi kasi dapat pag take off lang nito napansin na yon or before landing kasi nandun yung panganib ng aeroplano. So take off and landing kadalasan doon nagtitrigger yung problema na nadidetect na yun. So yun yung problem. Saka seasoned pilot, di ba? Yung sinasabi nilang pwedeng nagkaroon ng manual interference kaya hindi marami hong mga dahilan marami pong mga teorya pero hanggang ngayon puro theory po yan kaya yun ang hinahanapan natin ng dahilan.
Theory lang yan.
Okay.
Anyway, just to maybe if you don't mind, I am actually in another station. I don't have to maybe you can look for me at the same time 8 or 9 every Sunday.
Okay. Pero yung column sa dyaryo
tuloy-tuloy yun.
Tuloy-tuloy yan. And it's widely read. Anyway, sige boss. Doc, thank you very much for the time. Teka muna, pahabol ko lang. May mga may mga pananaw din ho kayo on what's happening in political arena, no? What's triggering this kind of problem na parang may no less than Senator Sergius Meño nawawalan ng confidence sa kanyang manok sa eleksyon, manok noong 2010 elections. Kaliwat kanan itong mga nangyayaring mga hindi pagkakasundo, corruption. What's happening?
Well, according to some astrologers and people into this area, this year would be intensification of this kind of thing, trouble, misunderstanding, not only on the human field but on the natural field. There will be more disasters and storms that we will see in every area of the world. Kasi ang ating mundo ay buhay. It is alive. And it is healing. It is healing itself. But together with all of this, kasama yan hindi mo pwedeng i-separate yung physical nangyari sa mundo, pollution, with the human problems accompanying that. Magkasama yan. People don't realize that. Magkasama yan. Yung nangyayari sa the moon, mga planetary movements, merong epekto sa ating emotions and psychology.
Okay. So, we have to embrace more problem, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas. Sabi ko nga,
hindi lang. Worldwide ito.
This is a chaotic...
We have to think in terms of planetary. We are not just citizens of a country. We are citizens of the world.
So, we just have to be prepared. Kailangan na mag-ready tayo, pero nakita...
Epekto sa ating emotions and psychology.